Wolfman Lewis. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here we are, another episode of the Carolina Panthers rebuild right here on NFL Head Coach 09. If you missed any of the other episodes, they're available here on the channel in the playlist. We are going to go to free agency here. We're just going to spend some time in here real quick doing a few things before we get to that week 1 against the San Diego Chargers. I think Rocky Boykin, they keep bringing him up there. He's a former Tennessee Titan. I think, if I am mistaken, I think he is a middle linebacker. He is. Rocky Boykin, a middle linebacker, 6 years pro. Rocky Boykman. Yeah, I say Rocky Boykman. Yeah, right. We need a quarterback is what we need. We need a fullback and a tight end. So we should not be too much worried about Rocky Boykin. We will sign Jeff King. My roster is full. Welcome to the waiver wire. Sign free agents to fill in empty roster slots. You have... Okay, I'm not quite sure. We need to figure out what our roster is. We need to cut a few people here. We need at least one more quarterback. We need to add him to the trading block. Yes. Terrence Choice. Okay, Choice is not our kicker. He is our running back. I wasn't aware of that. Leon Washington. I really don't want to get rid of Leon Washington. He's still 2 years. D'Angelo Williams is 2 years. I want to hold on to those guys for a hot minute. Our wide receivers, Dwayne Jarrett. Eric Moles is there. Let's get rid of Ryan Robinson. Ryan Robinson has cap penalties. How about Jarrett? But you will also have to pay... Okay, these guys ain't going... Okay, these guys... Yeah, this ain't working. We have to pay some cap hits here. We don't want to pay any cap hits. That's all this team needs is a cap hit. Is there any good free agent wide receivers or what? I don't think there would be. I think most of the wide receivers would be gone. Bam Childress. Peerless Price. There's my man. Gotta have my man on there, man. Gotta have my man on there. Sorry, but I gotta have him on there. Gotta have my man on there. How many guys do we have? 1, 2. We have 7. We need to get rid of 2 people here. So the report on the scouting report on the Chargers, they are a lot heavy on the run, but I'm not sure if I believe that. Because they said that the Redskins relied heavy on the pass and then turned around and got the run on us. So we are 0-4. We went 0-4 in the preseason. We stand out pretty good, I think, for the most part. It is cut day. You know what? If you actually, your GM will choose your players to cut. Okay, good. Do it, GM. Now, who the fudge did you cut?
The Chargers told me they've been concerned with fatigue and injuries, so much so that the head coach canceled today's practice to give the team time to recover and to allow some players to get back to 100%.
John Gruden, you're watching NFL Network.
Buffalo's head coach spoke with the media today, and the big news coming out of his weekly press conference is that the team has, in fact, decided to look to the future. They're giving the rookie quarterback the start. He has the chance to earn the title of quarterback of the future. It all gets underway very shortly, and the city is abuzz over it.
I'm Mike Nolan, and you're watching NFL Network.
All right, folks, we got it right here. You see it. The owner and I have given it a little thought, and we think that it is time to hand over the starting job to the rookie. You make the final call here, Coach. We need you to make the final call here.
Carolina's head coach has announced that the team will be making a change at running back this week. It wants to get a look at its young player with lots of potential, and it feels the best and only way to do that is to see how he performs on game day, on the field, against top-flight competition.
So our practice recap, not bad at all.
I'm Adam Schefter of NFL Network, and here's your draft update. The preseason top 25 has been announced, and USC is currently in the #1 spot. It's followed by Texas, Florida, Oklahoma, and West Virginia at number 5. As far as the best returning seniors in this draft class, my current top 5 seniors are Arizona quarterback Mike Zazali, Missouri linebacker Chase Beck, Vonnie Mendenhall from Michigan, Notre Dame defensive back Jerome Bartell, and Wisconsin's Tim White. I'll be watching these players all season long, as you should.
Thank you so much for that, Adam. Goal failed. At least 10 plays before the preseason is over. Okay. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that, owner. So Zeb Raymond, folks. There's our man, Zeb Raymond. We have, what, 5,000 skill points? We have 3,000 skill points to spend. And I don't see us being able to do that on these special skills. Regular skills, perhaps, we might be able to do that. Yeah, we got the quarterback knowledge there. Now we got that. That doesn't really do us much. Okay, wait a minute. We got to go. Our offensive coordinator. How about our defensive coordinator? He has 27. Got any special skills he can do? Can he do game film analysis? No. No, he ain't got that much. Okay, he can't do anything. He can't do anything. Neither can he, or him, or our wide receivers coach. Offensive lines coach can't. General manager can't do much of anything there. Our trainer, no. New season goals, folks. Here we go. Win 3 out of our 4 first games. The fans want you to crush the Buccaneers in Week 6. Beat Buccaneers on Monday night in Week 14 for the fans. The owner thinks we should re-sign Julius Peppers. The media thinks the GM needs to replace, hire a new one to make them happy. Have an approval of 75 or more by the end of the season.
The San Diego Chargers told me they've been working on a game plan that focuses on shutting down the opponent's passing game. They're going to use the blitz to disrupt the timing of the quarterback, making him think twice before letting go of the ball. The Carolina Panthers told me they've been working on their sharpness in practice. They want to make sure that their most successful plays are ready to be used early and often in this contest.
There's our draft preview, folks. All right, folks, it is game day. But that's going to be in the next episode. Folks, how's it going to work? How are we going to do it? Or how are we going to do? I'm very excited for this start of this season. We did go 0-4 in the preseason, but this team has potential. I don't know exactly how it's going to go. I do know that we have a lot of tasks ahead of us, as they want us. The owner wants us to win the first 3 out of 4 games. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to go. Want us to crush the Buccaneers. I don't know how that's going to go. The only thing I do know that with the goals we could probably complete would be to sign Julius Peppers. That's the only goal I think we can possibly do. I could be wrong. Do me a favor, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new, scratch the claw marks in the bottom right corner of your screen. Come into Wolfpack fam today, sniff and bite into the bell icon. Become part notification squad. Do not forget to put a like to the video. It's much appreciated. Remember, always stay hungry. Hungry like the wolf. Wolfman Lewis. I am out.